Welcome. In this video, you will learn how to import fonts into VectorMotion so as to design amazing logo type. But before that, you need to download fonts, and on my channel I made a video on which site you can go and download free fonts. Quick disclaimer, this video isn't sponsored, but those sites gives you free fonts so that you can use it, linked in the description below. Without no time wasted, open VectorMotion and at the top right corner click the three button icon and move on to font library. You can see a font in there. We will add another, so click the plus button, and this was the font in the font library, so we are going to add another. Locate your font files and look for another font to add. For example, we are going to take the Nexus font, so click on it. Adding the Nexus font to my font library, I can't be sure it is, but the only way I could check it out is to create a new project and type in a text. So let's create a new project and type in a text. Let's type into our text a new font. Move to your font to check whether it is or not. Yes, it is. So we have a new font added to our VectorMotion, so we can design great looking logo type into our VectorMotion. Alright, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful. See you in the next one.